Hi, good morning students. It's me Harsnath Sukla and today in class 12th we are going to discuss lecture number 12. Chapter is continuity and differentiability. And today's our topic is Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Okay, so let us see. Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem. Okay, Rolle's theorem. Let we have given a function. Let f from ab to r, closed interval ab to r, is a real valued function. Real valued function. Then, if real valued function, then if real valued function such that f is continuous at on closed interval ab, f is differentiable on open interval ab, and third one, fa is equals to fb, then there exists c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash c is equal to 0. So this is the statement of Rolle's theorem. So please note it down. Okay, I hope you have completed this one. Now, see some questions based on Rolle's theorem. Okay, and then after we see mean value theorem. This is the last topic for the chapter. Continuity and differentiability. And other topics already we shall discuss in. We had discussed in live classes. So please try to understand these topics. So see question 8. Write down, verify Rolle's theorem for the function verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx is equals to verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 5x plus 6 in interval 2 comma 3 in 2 comma 3 we have to verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 in interval 2 comma 3. So first of all we see fx is fx is continuous in closed interval fx is continuous in closed interval 2 comma 3 being a polynomial function, because this is a polynomial function. And also second thing, fx is differentiable in open interval 2 comma 3, okay. Now third one is fa that is f2 is equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, this is 0. fb, this is f3, 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. So CFA is equal to FB. Okay. Now f dash x is equal to 2x minus 2, 5. Okay. So f dash c is what? 2c minus 5, and this is equal to 0. And this means c is equal to 5 by 2. And you know very well this belongs to open interval 2 comma 3. Hence, Rolle's theorem verified. For this particular function. So note it down. Okay, I hope you have completed this one. Now next question is verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx is equals to x minus 1, fx is equals to x minus 1, x minus 2 whole square in interval 1 comma 2, okay. So if we see, so first of all we find f dash x. So this is x minus 1, 2 times x minus 2 plus x minus 2 whole square x 1. First into derivative of second and second into derivative of first. So f dash x is equals to x minus 2, 2 times x minus 1 plus x minus 2. So this is x minus 2, 2x minus 2 plus x minus 2. So this is x minus 2 and 3x minus 4. This is equation number 1. Now fx is continuous in 1 comma 2, you know very well, because being a polynomial function. Second is fx is differentiable also in 1 comma 2, okay. Fx is differentiable also. So we find fa is equals to fb. If we find fa is equals to fb, then f1 is equal to f2 is equal to 0. Hence all the conditions are fulfilled. So f dash c is equal to what? 0. That means c c minus 2 and 3c minus 4 is equal to 0. So c, either c is equal to 2 or c is equal to 4 by 3. But we know that c is equal to 4 by 3 belongs to open interval 1 comma 2. Hence we consider this value such that f dash c is equal to 0. Such that f dash c is equal to 0. Hence we can say Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay. So please see. Okay. So note it down and then mean value theorem. I hope you have completed this one. Now next one is mean value theorem. This is also known as Lagrange's mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, so in this theorem, let f from AB to R be a real value function. Then first f is continuous at on closed interval AB. F is differentiable on open interval AB. And third, then there exists C belongs to open interval AB such that f dash C is equals to FB minus FA divided by B minus E. So this is the statement of mean value theorem. So please note it down and then we shall discuss a question based on this. Okay. I hope you are completed this one. Now write down a question. Verify mean value theorem for the function. Verify mean value theorem. Verify mean value theorem for function fx is equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 7 in the interval 1 comma 3. In interval 1 comma 3. Okay. So we have to verify this particular mean value theorem for this function. Okay. So first of all we find f dash x. So f dash x is 6x plus 5. So this is equation number 1. Now we know that first fx is continuous in closed interval 1 comma 3 being a polynomial function. Second, fx is differentiable in open interval 1 comma 3. Now third one, we find f a, that is f1, that is 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 7. So this is 3 plus 5 plus 7, 5, 3, 8, 7, 15. Now fb, this is nothing but f2, 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 7. So 9 3s are 27 plus 15 plus 7. This is 7, 5, 12. So 19, 1, 2, 4, 49. Okay. So this is FB. Now F dash C is nothing but FB minus FA divided by B minus A. So this is F3 minus F1 divided by 3 minus 1, and this is nothing but F3 is 49 minus 15 divided by 2, and this is what? This is nothing but 17. Okay. So if you see f dash c is what? 17. Okay. So now here we may be this used. Okay. So since f dash c is equal to 7, so f dash c is what? 6x plus 5, 60 plus 5 is equal to 17, so 6c is equal to 17 minus 5, 6c is equal to 12, so c is equal to 2, and you know very well this belongs to open interval 1 comma 3 such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. Okay, so this is the actually solution of, hence we can say mean value theorem is verified. Hence mean value theorem is verified. So please see, note it down. So I hope you completed this one, and whatever doubt you can ask in live classes in that particular topic, mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. So please try to understand and solve the maximum problem based on this. Again I repeat you, what is the Rolle's theorem, what is mean value theorem. So in Rolle's theorem, suppose we have given a function fx, then it must be continuous at this particular interval AB, closed interval AB, and this is differentiable in open interval AB, and also f dash c is equals to 0 if fb is equal to fa. In mean value theorem, this is every condition is same, but last third condition is different. F dash c is nothing but fb minus fa upon b minus a. Okay, so we find the value of C such that this belongs to close open interval AB. So thank you for today's class, and we shall discuss next chapter, application of derivative, and next lecture. So stay safe and stay well.